and I'm going to do a quick walk around just so you can see what this vehicle is all about. Absolutely fantastic. A lot of the side panels look very similar to what we have in India. You've got some interesting features. This is something that we don't have in the Indian model. Hopefully this carries over when they bring this to India, is a step to get into the back. Now, getting in very quickly, but beginning from one end, check out these new cup holders. This is where you see a lot of difference actually. Okay, so a lot of these buttons, they were actually around to the driver's side. Let me just power on the car and you'll get to see what this infotainment system is all about. Welcome to MOTORSCRIBES. We've got the brand new Hilux, the 2026 Hilux. This is the top of the line Overland model. It comes with the 2.8 liter engine. And I'm going to do a quick walk around just so you can see what this vehicle is all about. You see a lot of edgy sort of features. It's very different from the existing model that's currently sold in India. You've got the lights up front, you've got a very squared off grille, you've got the Toyota full branding rather than just the logo. Fog lamps right underneath. You got the DRLs as well as the projector headlamps in there. It's currently sitting, the top of the line model sits on 265/65 R18 rims. Absolutely fantastic. A lot of the side panels look very similar to what we have in India. You've got rear view mirrors as well as the blind spot sensors right down there. You've got some interesting features. This is something that we don't have in the Indian model. Hopefully this carries over when they bring this to India, is a step to get into the back from the side. Helps with loading and unloading. Very different light panel. As we swing around to the back, you've got the rear view camera. You've got Toyota branding right up strong. You got Hilux branding over here in the latch as well as a key lock. So currently this doesn't have the truck liner, the bed liner fitted, but it will get it before delivery. As we swing around to the side over here, you'll see a very nice, this is an additional feature. It's an accessory, it's not sold like this. It's something which has been added to make it look nice. Now, getting in very quickly, this is where all the changes have really happened. Okay, beautiful seats. You see the stitching, you see the leather, it's Napa leather. You've got the electric controls for the driver's seat. The passenger seat is still manual. So you've got the control going forward and back. You have your window controls over here as well as your mirror controls, your ORVM controls. And as you get into the cabin, it's a nice spacious cabin. Some interesting neat features over here, which I'll walk you through really quickly. Just want to give you a quick look at what we already have. But beginning from one end, check out these new cup holders. They're soft touch opening cup holders. And they're there for both the passenger as well as the driver. The steering wheel is completely squared off. You get a really, really nice, beautiful looking central panel on this steering wheel. You have all the steering mounted controls on both sides. You have it for volume and phone and everything on your left side. You have it for your cruise control and vehicle information on your right hand side. This is something that carries over from the older model as well. You have your LCD infotainment system over here. This is very different than what currently exists. Let me just power on the car and you'll get to see what this infotainment system is all about. Okay, beautiful Toyota branding over there. You have the AC controls. So while it has a digital screen, you have a lot of touch panels over here just to change your temperature and make sure you can control the AC. This is where you see a lot of difference actually. Okay, so a lot of these buttons, they were actually around to the driver's side and low, Right now they put them on the central console. You have your different drive mode select over here, and you have a very neat 4x4 shifter. So this is now a button rather than a dial or something else that you see in other vehicles. C-type chargers over here, both for connecting to the infotainment system as well as for charging the vehicle. You have two C-type chargers in the back as well for the rear passengers. The gear lever is now very nice. It feels great. It has a squared off look. It's sort of carrying across, this edgy theme has been carrying across the entire vehicle. So you have that as well. You've got really nice soft touch opening glove boxes. So this is the top glove box. This is the bottom one. And this is again a feature that carries over from the Hilux currently in India. So you have two glove boxes over here. You have the hand grabs. You have your sunglass case over here. You have your internal lighting controls, your internal rear view mirror, and things like the power output, the 220 to 240 volt power output is over to this model as well. So all in all, a very interesting package. It's carried over a lot from the current model which exists. And there's a whole bunch of really new, neat features as well. I mean, the standard features in terms of safety, airbags, all of that carries over. It's built to last. The Hilux is absolutely, it's an amazing vehicle. It's something that you're going to see on roads forever. And this is, it looks like an interesting classic sort of take on a vehicle that we have seen around in India now for a while and globally as well. So overall, an extremely interesting vehicle. Stay tuned for our complete review. We've got detailed shots of the entire vehicle, so stay tuned for that. And hope you subscribe, hope you like this video and share it with as many people as possible. Remember, whatever questions you do ask us, we respond to every single question. So please do write to us and let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching MotorScribes.